how to put this wire inside the handlebar. This is for my 2023 Road Glide. I'm gonna show you exactly and so easy way, so cheap way, how to put inside the wire, how to install the, handlebar. Stay tuned. All right, do you have this? This is a fishing wire plus the small, I think it's a jink or something like that. If you have this, it's so easy. Just put inside right here. Slowly let it go. Now you'll see right here, look at that small hole. You'll see right here. Did you see it? Take this out simply. Here we go. Put this, lay down, and connect this small wire to the big wire. You must have this wire. This thing is so free. Okay, there you go. Bring it here slowly. Do not pull so hard, otherwise you're gonna break this. Slowly, up and down, up and down, up and down. There we go. You got here. Check this out. Now here's one greatest trick. This side goes up to the handle, where the throttle side. So make sure, put this here. You cannot tie it up. You cannot, otherwise you're gonna break it. Like this. Do not tie it up. So what you can do, put inside, simple like this, and make it right here. Now, it's not gonna break easily, okay? So slowly, it's tied up, wrap it up like this. And you must have the dog tape or electric tape, either one. The easy way, I have a like this, exactly like this. This is so easy and faster way. Now you can put the tape right here, because this should not be goes down like this, otherwise it's gonna tear up or break the terminals. Okay, this is a so easy trick. Or if you want to do here, go ahead and you can do it, no worries. It doesn't take too much long. It's just 5 to 10 minute job. People are thinking it's gonna pain your ass. Now you gotta know what to do and how to do. That's it. Slowly. Do you see this? Now it's free. Pull it. Pull this. Slowly. The white part goes all the way up, okay? Do not do too much hard, okay? Otherwise you're gonna break it. Push here, pull here. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. That's it. If you go to the dealer, they're gonna charge you $500 to $600 to do this job. This is a free of cost for you. Make sure you follow, subscribe. You'll see the magic in a second, okay? There we go. You see here? It's simple as that. Look at this. Here we go. Now, take this piece out. Slowly. I prefer the dog tape. It's easy to take in and out. Or if you're further strong, you can use the electric tape as well. No worries. Right. There we go. Done within a 5 to 6 minutes. Not more than that. There we go. Good luck, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment box.